Or just, uh-oh, I just broke it. Oh, I'm such a dork. I should have left it alone. Howdy rock hounds and sea glass lovers. In today's video, I'm taking glass and turning it into faux sea glass in my rock tumbler. But wait, there's more. I'm then going to take that faux glass and see if I can return it to a high polish, but with rounded edges. So stick around for the results and comparisons. Rock on, glass on, woo! As you can see here, I've got some pretty gnarly looking stuff that I collected along the railroad tracks. Yeah, it's all dirty, and we're just going to leave it like that because the slurry is going to be dirty anyway, so who cares? You need 60-90 grit. Obviously, you need a rock tumbler, so we're going to go ahead and fill this puppy up 2/3 full. I'm just going to throw miscellaneous pieces in here. I'm going to even put one of these in there, just for the heck of it. Probably not. No, I guess I can do that. I'll put a bottom in there too. I want to make sure we have enough room for it to move around, but we also don't want it to bang around so much that it just turns into little glass pieces where it's thrashing around. All right, 3 scoops of 60-90 grit. 1, 2, and 3. Ha 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 ha. And some water. We're gonna fill it up so that it's just below the top. Here we go, like that. See you in 3 days. Glass on. Can you hear the glass? I can hear it. Just a little bit. Time to check the glass. Woo! All right, come on. These have actually been tumbling about 4 days. Maybe almost 5, actually. I just got busy, you know? Life happens. Ooh, look at that slurry. By the way, oh, I guess it's too late to check. It's not bowed on the bottom, even though this is glass, because it can kind of gas off. Let's check to see what we got going here. Ooh, that came out okay. I see the grit down on the bottom. Do you see that? Interesting. Let's see if we've got faux sea glass. Well, it's definitely got some rounded edges. Oh, there's something stuck in here. Oh, jeez. There's a bunch of glass stuck in there. I've done this before and it's been stuck. Too funny. So there, look at that. Dry it off, but that's basically faux sea glass. You know, you could do this where you put rocks in there. Get it beat up a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, those are beautiful. Ooh, I'm glad I put the blue in. Rinse them off some more, take them in, dry them off, and have a gander and see how frosted they are. See if we really got faux sea glass. Let's see what we got. Oh, definitely frosted. Look at that. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Yep. See that? Pretty cool. And even this one, definitely frosted. Here, let's compare before and after. Now let's compare it up to the light. Yeah, definitely frosted and not frosted. Wow, that's cool. It's about 4 or 5 days and it got this look already. Huh. Oh, here's a purple one I forgot to show you. Look at that. Beautiful. So who says you can't turn your own glass into faux sea glass? So now it's time to turn them into polished glass again, but with rounded edges. All right, let's load it up. We want it about 2/3 full. Let's see what we got here. It's close. To help with cushioning, we're going to add ceramic media just a little bit. We don't want the barrel too full. I'm making a mess here, but you get the idea. Then we're going to add 3 scoops of 120-220 grit, stage 2. We're going to do this for a week because we want these to start polishing. Time to check stage 2 of the glass, and I went to pick it up and look what happened. What the heck is going on here? Oh my gosh. Oh well. The lid didn't pop off, so that's a good sign. So let's grab it. What the heck? That is so weird. I've never had that happen before. Oh well, let's go rinse it off. Oh, I think I just figured out why it's doing that. Even though there isn't any gap here, I just felt this. Look at that. It's bowed out. Oh my gosh. Wow, I can really feel that. Huh. Yeah, I think glass has a gas in it. And so, yeah, when it's spun around like that, oh my gosh, I think it's called gas off or something. I'm not sure. That's what I've heard. Oh, the top just came off. Anyway, whew, I'm so glad that didn't explode. This was after a week on the tumbler, so, uh-oh. Wait, did I just hear that? Wait, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think I just heard something. Am I gonna have an explosion? I'm scared. Oh my god, I think I just heard... Oh, this doesn't explode. Oh my gosh, that's different. Oh! Alrighty then. Should have checked that a little bit sooner, I guess. Oh, shoot. Hope I didn't wreck the barrel. Wow, nice slurry. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Wow, it's almost like blue. Blue-gray, gray-blue. Okay, I'm so glad it didn't explode. It was nothing. Okay, this is stage 2 after a week, and look at all that gunk in the bottom. That's mostly, in fact, that's all the tumbling media. I'm not going to use these small beads anymore, by the way. These are garbage. So I threw out the rest of them. Yeah, ick. Peel, 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 peel. Ugh, I'll clean out later. Oh, look at it. Yeah, it's bowed on the bottom. Oh no. Yeah, I hope I didn't make it thinner. Okay, let's clean this up. That's the first time I ever had that happen. Then again, I have only tumbled glass for, 3 or 4 days at a time. Very nice. Definitely still a frosted look to them, which they will have when you've done stage 2 of the grit. 120, 220. It's not a polish yet. Look at that. They're definitely smoother. Oh, that. Edges are smoother. Ooh, almost dropped it. Jesus. Yep, you can see that. Got a little bit of a crack in there, but it seems okay. It's not, can't feel it. So where'd that purple go? Here's the purple. That's beautiful. And we'll hold it up against a white. All right, we obviously have pre-tumbled. And then we have after stage 1, 1 week, 60-90 grit. And then we have after 1 week in stage 2, 120, 220 grit. And if you look close, you can see maybe a little bit of difference. Now I'm going to feel them. And this one, after stage 2, is definitely smoother than this one. I'm just going to have to take my word for it. Same thing. Yep, definitely smoother. Thinking I'm going to just go for it. Yep, we're going to do the pre-polish now. Woo! And my phone stopped recording, so I think it's about time I get a new phone. But anyway, I'll see how fast I can do this. I have a little bit too much water in here. I'm just going to go with it. I've got 3 scoops of Stage 3 aluminum oxide 500 pre-polish. Got some water. I've got some tumbling media in there again, and you can see the glass a little bit. I'm going to throw this on the tumbler for a week and hope it doesn't explode. Ooh, hello. Got ahead of myself. Jiminy Christmas. I got so frustrated with my phone. It is what it is. All right, here we go. That looks good. And we're going to throw it on there for another week. This time I wrote glass on there so I don't confuse it. Again, stage 3, glass. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Here we go. Woohoo! See you in a week. I'm so excited to see how these are looking. By the way, if you hear banging noise, I have a neighbor that is doing construction. So, you know what? I cannot wait until it's like perfectly quiet because it'll never happen. Okay, slurry looks good. Let's see what we got going here. Ah! Jeez, it's got some on my leg. Nice. Ooh. Okay, that all came out well. Nice. Yes. Yes. Whap, 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 whap. Hey, I'm over here making a video. Quiet. Quiet on the set. I'm recording. Just kidding. So far it looks good. Ooh, I like this blue. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks like my mouth guard. I'm just kidding. Oh, wow. so nice. I hope these are ready for polish. But let's take them in and look at them after they've dried off. They feel great. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, they're so smooth. Nice. By the way, when I took this out, I saw that another piece had got stuck in there. After stage 1, it had a whole bunch jammed in there, and I whacked it out of there. Let's try it again with a little screwdriver. Or just, uh-oh, shoot, I just broke it. Oh, I'm such a dork. I should have left it alone. Dang it. Now I ruined it because it's sharp. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Aw. Phooey. That's annoying. Well, I got this one, so we can use that. Okay, I'm taking this out because grit will get stuck in there, and it's sharp, and it'll wreck all the others. Idiot. Ugh, I can't believe I did that. Lesson learned. All right, so let's see. Let's dry this off. Oh, wow. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. These are all frosted. I think they're ready for the polish stage. They feel so good. Yep. Get that little piece out that I just made. Very cool. So let's look at these. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Definitely frosted. Wondering if it'll polish up though. So, all right, let's put it in stage 4. It's still about half, so we need to load this up with ceramic media to cushion it, especially because it's glass. Like I said before, it needs some more. We want to get it about 2/3, always. Especially since we're going to polish it. There we go. 3 scoops, stage 4, aluminum oxide polish. See you in a week. Woo! I am so excited. I hope it's polished. I hope it's polished. Okay, I sorted these from the ceramic media. Thought I'd spare you that part. Let's dry these off and see if they are polished or not. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Only 1 week in polish. Oh, look at that. Look at the shine. Wow. Yes, it's got a shine. Oh my gosh. Look. Woo-hoo. It was totally frosted before. Remember? Here, I'll compare in a minute. I just love this. It's like, teeth. Do you want your teeth? Look at that beautiful blue. Look at the shine. Wow. It's turned out way better than I thought it was going to. Okay, this is hard to see, but it's purple, like a lavender. This is part of I think a perfume bottle or something. Oh, I don't know. You think they're done? Should I tumble them some more? I'm thinking. So like this one. It's really polished. Oh, this is kind of a darker color. Maybe that's why this one looks even shinier. And we've got this curve. Look at that. It did a really good job getting in all the nooks and crannies. Where's the... Here. We've got this. Okay. Kind of buffing it with my finger. Nice. So you know what? I think another week, these would polish up even shinier. So yeah. See? Still frosted a bit, but it's still also easier to see the light. Nice. Here, let's do this. See? There you go. Okay, you can read. So that's definitely not frosted anymore. There you go. Now that's a nice comparison. Before, stage 1, stage 3 and 4, pre-polish and polish. What do you think? Should I polish it in another week? All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna polish it for 1 more week to see if I can get it as shiny as that. Woo! Let's load it up. Three more scoops. All right, see you in a week. Woo! Okay, we've got these all dried off, and as you can see, they are much, much shinier. Look at that. Rough broken glass turned into faux seaglass and shined to a nice polish again with smooth edges. Oh my gosh, I am so pleased with this. What do you think? You think they turned out great? These would be good for arts and crafts. You could turn them into wind chimes. You could just put them in a bowl and run your fingers through them. I don't know what kind of arts and crafts ideas you have. Tell me in the comments. Rock on!